Yeah, like it's pretty cool. You don't know who Johnny Cash is? That's pretty stupid. Yeah, like everybody says, hey, hey guys, hi guys. Nobody wants to hear that mess. Dude, they got clients that like Tim way too much. Like this truck here, this is like the 6th one these people brought. These trucks expensive too. But like this truck, it's got the best coating on it. Ceramic Pro. Yeah. 4 layers of 9H, 1 layer top coat. Ain't nothing else on the market touch it. Yeah, ain't nothing touch it. You like my crown? Crown, nice. That's right. But yeah, that Ceramic Pro is better than that other stuff Tim was installing. That's why Tim dropped that other stuff. Look, drop it. Drop. But yeah, come get some Ceramic Pro. That's the best Ceramic Pro installer in town. This business. Tim got this.